Now today we will continue exercise 7.2, that is integration by substitution method, class 12. So till question number 22 we already have done. Now today we will start from question number 23. So question number 23 is it is sin inverse x divided by root under 1 minus x square. Okay, we know that the differentiation of ddx of sin inverse x is 1 by root under 1 minus x square. So this is the differentiation formula of sin inverse x. The differentiation formula of sin inverse x is 1 by root under 1 minus x square. So in this case we will take sin inverse x as substituent. So first we will write I equals to integration sin inverse x root under 1 minus x square dx. Let sin inverse x equals to t. Sin inverse x is t. So now differentiate it with respect to t. D by dt of sin inverse x equals to differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. So now differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root under 1 minus x square dx by dt. Again we will differentiate this because of different variable. So this is 1. So 1 by root under 1 minus x square dx equals to, now multiply, it is dt into 1 is dt. So after that, therefore I equals to integration. Now sin inverse x is t. 1 by root under 1 minus x square dx is dt. So it is dt. Now integrate it, equals to t square by 2 plus c, because the power of t is 1. So integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So I equals to t square is, what is t? So t is sin inverse x whole square divided by 2 plus c. So it is the answer. So this is question number 23. Now question number 24. Okay, question number 24. Question number 24 is 2 cos x minus 3 sin x divided by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. Now integration first. I equals to integration 2 cos x minus 3 sin x divided by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. Okay, look here, 6 and 4, these are the multiple of 2, so we can take 2 as common. So I equals to integration of 1 by 2 cos x minus 3 sin x divided by, here 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. How? We take 2 common from denominator. So 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 2 is 4. So if you differentiate this denominator, you will get 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. How? So differentiation of sin x is cos x, there is 2. Differentiation of sin x is minus cos x. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, there is 3. So we will take substitute as denominator. Let 3 cos x plus 2 sin x equals to t. Now differentiate it. Minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x. Now again we have to differentiate x also. Dx by dt equals to 1. So this equals to 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx equals to dt multiplied with 1 is dt. So therefore I equals to half integration, half is there. So 2 cos x minus 3 sin x, 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx is dt. So we will write dt here. 1 by 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is t. So it is t. So I equals to 1 by 2 log t plus c. So this equals to log t. Half log t is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. Now this is the answer. Now next question number 25. Question number 25. Question number 25 is 1 by cos square x 1 minus tan x whole square. So in solution I equals to integration 1 by cos square x 1 minus tan x whole square dx. Now 1 by cos is sec. 1 by cos x is sec x. 1 by cos is sec. So I equals to integration sec square x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square dx, because 1 by cos x is sec x. Now we will take as substitute 1 minus tan x. Let 1 minus tan x equals to t. Now differentiate minus sec square x dx by dt. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Now differentiation t with respect to t is 1. So sec square x dx equals to minus dt. Therefore I equals to integration of sec square x dx is minus dt. Now 1 by t square because of square. So this equals to integration I equals to, we can take minus outside, minus t to the power minus 2 dt. So I equals to integration of t to the power minus 2 minus, so t to the power minus 2 is t to the power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. I equals to minus into minus, this to cancel. So t to the power minus 1 is, t is 1 minus tan x whole to the power minus 1 plus c. Now reciprocate it. I equals to 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c. Now this is the answer. Similarly, question number 25 also done. Now 26. Question number 26. Question number 26. The question is cos root under x divided by root x. Cos root under x divided by root under x. So I equals to integration of cos root under x by root under x dx. Now we will take root x as substituent. Root x as substituent. Let root under x equals to t. Now differentiation of root under x is 1 by 2 root under x dx by dt equals to 1. So 1 by root under x dx equals to 2 dt. Therefore I equals to integration of cos t 1 by root x dx is dt. I equals to cos t is integration of cos t is sin t plus c. I equals to sin root under x plus c, and this is the answer. Oh, here is 2 also. It is 2 dt, so we can take 2 outside, 2 here, 2 here. 1 by root x dx is 2 dt, so we can take 2 take outside, so 2 dt. So cos root x, cos is cos, root x is t, so 1 by root x dx is 2 dt. Now question number 27. Question number 27 is root under sin 2x cos 2x. Solution. I equals to integration of root under sin 2x cos 2x dx. We will take sin 2x as substitute. Let sin 2x equals to t. The differentiation of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x. Cos 2x into, now differentiation of 2x is 2. Again we have to differentiate x dx by dt equals to differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. So 2 cos 2x dx equals to dt multiplied with 1 is dt. So cos 2x dx equals to dt by 2. So cos 2x dx is dt by 2. Therefore I equals to integration, this is root under t. So sin 2x is t, because of root there is root. So cos 2x dx is dt by 2. We can take 1 by 2 outside. Integration of t to the power half dt. I equals to 1 by 2. So integration of t to the power is t to the power 3 by 2 plus divided by 3 by 2 plus c. I equals to t to the power 3 by 2. What is t? The value of t is sin 2x. So this is 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. Value of t is sin 2x whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Now we can cut 2. I equals to 1 by 3 sin 2x whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Now this is the answer. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.